Good afternoon. This is the demo video for the new term report, and I'm going to go through a couple of features on the report template just to get your feedback on it. So we have the master page. As you can see here, there's the master page, and this is where all the data will be entered. So we have the students listing on the left. We have the form for each student. We have the reading age and the date for the reading age. It's right here. So whenever the last reading age was taken. Here we have a link taking us to the coordinated comments. We're going to get to that in a bit. We have all three term attendance, term 1 attendance, term 2 attendance, and term 3 attendance. And the absence and late information for the term 3 here in orange. This is done by each student. Also, we have the group number. You know, we usually group number different numbers, and you have the total average score for all the grades, the letter grade, the GPA, not necessarily important at the moment. And then we have from here, we have each subject entering their grading information, whether it's letters or numbers. So we have building trades, we have carpentry, science, culinary, hospitality, electricity, English, math, science, and social studies. Alright. Each subject, we have 10 subjects, so each subject carries a weighting score of 10%. And this is where this information goes. It doesn't change. No one should change that information here. Unless we add another subject, then we're going to lower the weighting scale. Whatever it is, it must equal to 100%. In order for this scoring system to work effectively, it must equal to 100%. So if we add another subject later in the year, or we remove one, we have to calculate it so the total equals to 100. So each subject would enter the letter grade for behavior, and number grade or letter grade for academic, practical work here, and comments. So for each student, once you finish entering your letter grade, you can enter comments. You just click on the comment section for your section above, and it will take you to your area so you can leave a comment. I think you can enter up to probably 100 characters here. So you look for your student name, student 1, you enter the information for student 1. This will change. Student 1 will change to the actual student name. So you can just type in, let's say, Omari Williams, and that will be the student 1. But for the template, you will see student 1 all the way down to student how much ever we can accommodate. I think we can accommodate 50. So you enter your comments on the subject area building trades, enter your comments for student 1, you press enter, enter your comments for student 2, enter, so forth, so fifth, go down, all the way down. Alright, and same goes across for carpentry, science, the comment section. And there's a home button, so if you're entering data, you want to go back to enter your grade, you can click home, and it takes you back to the beginning of the master page. So each subject, once you click on the comment section below your subject, it will take you to your subject area so you can enter your comments. Alright? Now, where does all this information goes to? It goes to the student page. But before we get there, let me show you the coordinator comments. The coordinator will be focusing on this section, entering the term, grades, attendance, and all these things, reading age, so forth, so fifth. And the coordinator comment is all the way at the end. And you have an ease of reference here in terms of the student. So you can see as well the student name of who comments you're entering. So the coordinator will leave her master comments at the end once all the teachers have entered their information. Alright, so also on the master page, we have the average scores. So for building trades, you have the average scores at the bottom, right here. So from here onward, I'll change the color so you can differentiate. You have the average score for building trades, not for the farm, but for building trades. So the overall average, the highest score and the lowest score. and but the subject gets the overall average. So from from third farm to fifth farm, that gives you the average score. However, below here we have the group's average. So for group 3, the average for group 3 is 338.83, whatever. So this would be the average per group, not for farm by farm, but per group. As well, you can also do the average by farm if you need that information and that data. You can go there. Alright, so that's the master page. So the teacher just entered the grades here, whether student 1 was B or Marion was B, Tikwan was E, Daquan is number 5, Daquan was A. So just enter the information, enter a letter, grade overall grade for the student for this 86 for the entire year, term, sorry, and you go down. Alright, now that data, you enter comments for any student you so desire. Student 1 has to improve on attitude. Okay, you can enter a lot more information that you'll see in a bit. So if you want to see now, most likely you just do your part here on the master page, and then the coordinator takes over. So the coordinator wants to see what is a Marion report look like, or student 1's report. So he clicks right here on student 1 and he goes to that student report. Okay, so it shows up on the student report whatever information entered on the first page. This is what is happening on the report, and all the coordinator would have to do is press print. So the only thing that I haven't completed as yet is the average for the group, each group per subject. So that's what I'm working on, but for now we have to type it in manually. Sorry, but I'll work on it. I'll just get it done. Let me know if this information is enough. If the report template looks clean, does it look professional, does it look too jumbled up? Let me know. Give me a feedback. So the coordinator comments would automatically feed over into this section. Alright, you can go back to your master sheet by clicking on it here, and you go to student 2. You can see student 2 report. So you can get to it by clicking on the student, or you can just go to the tab, whichever version. So you can click on the tab, you can go directly to student 2 on the list, and the name for the actual student will show up here, not student 2. Once it's changed on the data sheet, the master sheet. So student 2 is Tom Henry. Once you go to student 2 sheet, Tom Henry will show up here, and you have nothing to worry about, and the form which automatically show up on this side. So will be the coordinators comment. So let's enter some coordinators comment for student number 2. This is Tom Henry. Tom has shown some improvement. Blah 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 blah. So the coordinators comment goes there. So you go to student 2's page. Bam, it's already there. So you don't have to work twice. You don't have to scroll down. Everything will be on a master sheet, and the student report will be separate. Ready for printing, you just go to print. Print preview, and this is what it looks like before it prints. You can print all the sheets from sheet 2 onward, but I'll work with the coordinator in terms of instead of printing one at a time, you can print sheet 1 all the way to sheet whatever on a legal size paper. So it's already preset to legal paper. The form and everything is preset to legal paper. So the comments would fit accordingly. So you can scroll through the number of reports, make sure everything is good, make sure everything's complete. You can scroll to all 50 if you have to, and then you set the pages you want to print from 2 onward to 50, or just the first 5, the first 6, whatever you want to print. So all the data will be transferred to this report sheet, and this is the result. So hoping for some feedback. Any changes needed, let me know in suggestions. Thank you.